welcome back. It is Friday Favorites and Flops. I have a lot of products today. Well, I would say just more than normal. I skipped a few Fridays, or maybe like one Friday, but anyways, I had a lot of products that I've really been loving, a few that I rediscovered in my collection, and then a few new products to me. Something I'm super excited about and I can't wait to share with you. Now you guys know that I've partnered with Native Deodorant in the past. I use their deodorant. I feel like it works really well for me, and also it's aluminum free. I typically show you guys their seasonal sets, which I do have one of those to show you in the next couple videos, but they're sponsoring this video today and I'm so excited because they came to me saying that they were releasing some new products. When I found out what they were, I couldn't wait to get my hands on them because they came out with bar soap and body wash. This is what the body wash looks like in this container. On the back, what I really like about it, it says it's made with love, safe, simple, and effective. So it gives you the list of ingredients, but then it kind of breaks it down and it's like, we know you obviously, some of the words, when you're reading something, you're like, what is this? On the back, it basically, what it actually means. Cleanser derived from coconut oil, cleansing salt, table salt, cleanser derived from coconut oil, sodium salt, food grade acid, cucumber extract, spearmint extract, bitter orange oil. So it tells you everything in simple terms, which I appreciate. And this one is in cucumber and mint, and this is sulfate free and paraben free. First of all, I like the bottle. Second of all, when I smelled this, I was like, oh yes, this smells so good, and I love the way that it smells in the shower. More importantly, obviously your body wash needs to work. Now also they came out with bar soaps. I'm so excited. These are sulfate and paraben free. If you're looking for natural ingredient products and you love Native Deodorant, definitely give this a try. This one's the cucumber and mint. They do have other scents as well. There's coconut and vanilla, and then also there are men's body wash. They sent this one for my husband to try. I haven't had him try it yet, but I had him sniff it and he was like, that smells so good. This is eucalyptus and mint. It smells very fresh, but yet manly. So if you guys are interested in this, I do have a discount code. I will leave it down below. I believe it is Laura 10%. So I will leave that link down below if you are interested in trying any of these. Check out the website and shop around for the deodorant as well. I highly recommend their deodorant. They have a ton of different scents. Everyone in my family uses it and we all love it. I'm like such a product junkie, so when they told me they were coming out with body washes, I was literally like, yes. I was so excited, and I love the simplicity of the packaging as well. I know that's a small thing, but I really do like it. Okay, so moving on, another thing that I have been loving recently is this from Glow Recipe. Now this is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I love this so much. It smells like blueberries. It's very, very gentle. It gives a little bit of suds, but it really makes my face feel nice and clean without feeling dry. That is like the number one thing that I look for in a cleanser, something that's going to take my makeup off, clean my face, and then make my face not feel like tight and dry, because then my skin gets itchy. So I really, really love this. It does do a good deep cleanse, and it also does remove makeup. So like I said, it's, I mean, look at the, I just like the packaging of this too, like the lilac or lavender color of it. It just smells, what I want to say is like berry-like, but fresh. So it has like a fresh berry scent. I really like it, and it's very gentle on the skin. Something I've been using nonstop, and a lot of you guys have been asking me about it because I think I've worn it every time I've worn makeup for like 2 weeks now. I've pretty much worn this combination and I love it. It's What's on My Eyes, and this is from Butter London. These are their Glazing glosses, Glazing eyeglasses, and this one's in the shade Spark. It's a really pretty bronze shade. It's almost like a jelly, but it's very, very pigmented, and once you put it on your lids and it dries, it literally will dry and not move. Once you set it on there, it is going to dry down and almost become like a powder eyeshadow. What I like about this is I don't feel like once it dries down, it makes my lids look crepey. A lot of like metallic shadows that dry down. This one is like light, but super pigmented. So I think that that's the key to it, is you can see that sheen, but that's just really a very, very light, and this is already dry. So when I rub my finger on it, it almost feels like a powder now. So what I do is I tap this on my eye with my finger. Now you could use a synthetic brush if you wanted a light wash of this, which I've done always, but what I've been doing recently is I want a more concentrated bit on the lid. So I tap this on my lid with my ring finger, and then I wait for it to set, and then I just take any type of neutral or matte brown and run that through the crease, and that's it. So it is a super simple eye look. It takes no time at all. I haven't been wearing any eyeliner on the top, but I will show you what I've been wearing on the bottom. And honestly, that's all I do is mascara, and I feel like it's a really pretty look, and I like the way that it lasts throughout the day. This does not wear off on my lids. It does fade a tad, but it doesn't like crumble down onto my face. I've actually worn this to the gym. I know, because like at the end of the day I was just like, I don't feel like taking off my makeup. So I wore this to the gym and I feel like it stays normally. So I really love this product a lot, and I feel like it's not talked about anymore. I know I used to talk about them a lot when they first came out, but I haven't used that in a while, and this was just kind of sitting there for me to put away. And I was like, you know what? That's a really pretty color. I'm gonna use this. And I like this Spark shade because it's almost like a dirty bronze. It's not too gold, but it has a very nice strong gold sort of like reflex to it. So it's almost like an antique-y look on the eyes. So I like it paired with this maroon lip, and I'm wearing like a maroonish shirt. But anyways, I like it with this combination. It feels very holiday for me, so I think this is definitely gonna be a go-to for me. Okay, so I am wearing one eyeliner product, and this is MAC's Costa Riche eyeliner. I've just been putting this in my waterline and underneath my lash line. I've been wearing nude for so long. It's pretty much what I do every single day. But recently I've been skipping putting eyeliner on the top and just putting this on the bottom paired with this eyeshadow. This is a really nice, rich, warm brown shade. I like it because it brings depth, but it also has that little bit of warmth, but not too much that it almost like makes your eyes look sick. If you have too much warmth in your eyeliner, it can make you look sick, and this just has just enough but still maintaining the depth. So I really, really love this eyeliner from MAC in Costa Riche. It's definitely an old faithful. So if you guys haven't tried this particular one, it is a must-have in your collection. Okay, 2 lip liner products that I have been loving a ton. These are from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Look at the packaging on these. These literally look like wands. This one is in, I think there are a bunch of different shades, but I have Celebrity Skin because these are my 2 favorite lip velvets of his, or liquid lipsticks. This is Celebrity Skin. It's just a really pretty, nice, neutral shade. And then this one is in Mannequin, which is, oh, I've used this a ton, which is more of a lighter neutral shade. So Mannequin's right here, and then Celebrity Skin is a little bit darker. I love those both as liquid lipsticks. I mix them together. It's a very nice, neutral, everyday lip. But the formula on these is beautiful, and they are so long wearing, super long wearing. I put them on and they just glide right on the lips, and then they stay all day. So I've really been loving these, and the packaging is just really pretty. I think they're pretty affordable too. At $16, they're very affordable in my opinion for the quality that they are. Okay, the last product that's taken my life by storm is this new foundation that I tried. This is from Catrice. This is the HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. Lasts up to 24 hours. Mattifying Second Skin Effect. I have this shade 032 Nude Beige. I love this foundation so much. The consistency is great. It comes like in a dropper, but the consistency isn't too liquidy. It does have like a little bit of like, I would say like if you put it on, it will drip down, but it's not too liquidy like I said. It's just the perfect amount. The formula is just beautiful. It is full coverage, so you don't need a lot. However, it looks very, very skin-like. When I look at my skin in the mirror, I don't feel like, man, you're wearing foundation. However, it does give you full coverage, which I appreciate and like. does not give you cake face at all, isn't too mattifying that it dries your skin. It feels so comfortable on the skin. I almost forget that I'm wearing foundation whenever I'm wearing this, and it lasts all day. It lasts through a workout. It lasts through being outside. It's hot in Texas. I mean, the weather has cooled down just a touch, but it lasts, it says up to 24 hours, but I ain't wearing my foundation for 24 hours to test that out, so I'm just going to let you know it lasts all day that I wear it, and I would say I've tested it up to a good 14-hour wear, and it's still on. The only place that it goes away is like right around my nose, and that's if I've worked out. So this foundation is honestly a new absolute favorite of mine. If you guys want to see a video of me doing a updated foundation routine, what I've been doing recently, and the combination that I've been using, like the sponge or whatever, because I do use a beauty blender to apply this. If you'd like to see that whole process, leave me a message down below or like this video and let me know, and I will do a video on this. But it is so good and it's affordable. You can find Catrice at Ulta, so definitely check this foundation out. You will not be disappointed. If you have dry skin or normal skin or oily skin, I believe that foundation will work for you. That is it for my favorites this week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Definitely leave some of your favorites down below, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you all in the next video. Mwah.